we have a presumption of innocence, but from what I've seen, he was on the phone, perhaps recorded, perhaps not, in which he was essentially accused of threatening to affect Nike's capital value unless some money was paid. And he's been charged with extortion. I don't know the specifics of what the conversation regarded, but the law is clear. You can't threaten a company's bottom line unless they pay money, unless it's part of a negotiation. This is an example, perhaps, of a guy with a big mouth using words that reasonable lawyers would never use in a conversation. Whether he's actually guilty of the crime or not, we have to know a lot more about the evidence, and the presumption of innocence applies to even people who wouldn't apply the presumption of innocence to other people.
Alan, what does it say to you that the IRS special agent is involved in one of these news conferences? There are going to be two, one in Los Angeles and one in New York.
Well, it's hard to know. I mean, there may be tax implications. It doesn't sound like that from what we've heard. But it also may be that because it involves just finances, you get IRS agents being involved. But if it's a straight-out extortion case, you would expect just FBI agents. I mean, there've been a number of such cases, and I know lawyers who engaged in extortion, and some of them have been punished, some of them have not been. So these are serious matters.
We did learn that there was a statement that was put out on Stormy Daniels. On February 19th, we informed Stormy Daniels in writing that we were terminating our legal representation, this is Avenatti, of her various reasons that we cannot disclose publicly due to the attorney-client privilege. This was not a decision we made lightly, and it came after lengthy discussion, thought, and deliberation, as well as consultation with other professionals. We wish Stormy all the best. Michael Avenatti, some would say, became famous representing that adult porn star against the President of the United States over a payment of $130,000 that she wanted to basically give back so that she could be relieved of a non-disclosure agreement. So I want to give you an opportunity just to talk about that case in particular with this and the idea that you relieve a client ahead of something like these charges.
Well, he may have been fired or he may have left, we don't know. And remember, too, that a lawyer representing somebody like Stormy Daniels or Stormy Daniels could themselves be guilty of extortion if they said to the president or his representative,